Have you ever wondered how a boy who once sold newspapers on the streets of Rameshwaram rose to become the President of India? A missile man, a renowned scientist, and the heartbeat of billions of India. And today, that boy was APJ Abdul Kalam. Enthusiastic evening to everyone. This is Kanak Mundara from Karimnagar, and I feel immense pride to speak today about the greatest personality of India ever seen. APJ Abdul Kalam doesn't only belongs to history and science textbooks. He dares to belong to every spirit of the Indians who dares to dream. From carrying bundles of newspapers to infinite missiles, from beginning of a story of hope for an entire nation, his life reminds us that no dream is too big and no dreamer is too small. Dr. Kalam's greatness did not lie in his achievements. It lies in the lay of his visions. A vision of India that would be strong, self-reliant and spiritually rich. An India that would not rise just because of technology, but because of compassion, because of spirituality, because of character and creativity. An India which is not just developed economically, but scientifically, socially and spiritually advanced. He prayed not in the name of religion, but in the language of humanity. For Dr. Kalam, the highest form of worship was the development for the nation building. He rose above religion, he rose above politics, he rose above region, and he focused only on India's development and the upliftment of every citizen. Dr. Kalam's dream of 2020 India was not just a distant fantasy, it was a blueprint for transformation. He believed that a nation can be developed on the 5 pillars: agriculture, health, education, infrastructure, and technology. And through his concept of PURA, providing urban amenities in rural areas, he envisioned villages getting alongside developed with the cities. He often said that भारत की सांसें, भारत की आत्मा उसके गांवों में बसती है. भारत की आत्मा उसके गांवों में बसती है. The soul of India lives in its villages. And through his concept, he inculcated the development of rural development through inclusivity. He asked to Indians to transform India from a consumer of technology to creator of the technology. And through the homeland. And today, the Operation Sindoor have been a testimony where हमें कोई छेड़ता है तो हम इसे छोड़ते नहीं हैं, लेकिन हमें पहले छेड़ते नहीं हैं. He often asked Indians and he asked the youth as the engine of the nation's building. He often called the youth as ignited minds. His vision feels alive, urging every Indian youth to work towards nation building. Yet, he also reminds that every progress should consist of a soul. Every progress should consist of a soul. And in the age of artificial intelligence, Dr. Kalam asked for authentic intelligence. He asked for authentic intelligence, a blend of science and spiritualism, where we do not lose our morals for someone else. Where the technology serves humanity, it does not replace humanity. Where the technology serves humanity, it does not replace humanity. And years have passed since that boy from Rameshwaram who dazzled at the stars, now he became a hope for billions of India who are envisioning for the Viksit Bharat 2047. In every classroom, in every startup, and in every sincere effort to make our nation better. He taught that the greatness is not born out of privilege. The greatness is not born out of privilege, but out of character, curiosity, and creativity. He once said, if you want to burn like a sun, you must become the sun. If you want to burn like a sun, you must become the sun. And let us today pledge that we shall burn like a sun with the fire for the purpose to build a nation that he dreamt of. With compassion, with knowledge, with spirituality, but not losing our morals. So let us promise ourselves on this special occasion that the story that began with a small boy, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the story that began with a small boy, APJ Abdul Kalam, should not end and should end with the nation of the dreamers that we will turn into reality. Will you all give your contribution for a developed nation? No. He always asked for the spirit of the youth. Are you all ready to contribute for the nation's development?
Yes.
That's the spirit. And that's the spirit asked by the APJ Abdul Kalam for always nation building. And today, I, Kanak Mundara from India, you always urge every Indian to not call by state, region, religion or out of politics. But remember yourself as the proud nation, India. Jai Hind.